yeah. Let's play a game called What Did We Forget to Tighten? Brakes. That's to the floor. Oh, yeah. Someday we'll have a speedometer. Brakes. Smooth. I honestly don't get what it takes to have brakes in a VW Beetle.
Muscles in your leg?
Yeah, maybe you need to be like a Tour de France winner or a soccer player. Hey everybody on YouTube, this is Bunky 1.0, the original Bunky, and this VW is her namesake. Is that what it's called?
It was a nickname growing up.
Yeah, so this is Bunky 2.0. So whatever 9 times 3.5, that's our range. I'm gonna call that 30 miles. I doubt we wandered off more than 30 miles from the house, so we're still good. None of us brought car pushing shoes. Oh, this is a court. Yes, we're lost. Let's see how she does in the donut department. All right, she turns. Back home, if we can find our way home. Instead of brakes, I'm going to call them slows. I'm going to show people the braking action. Stopped. 60 to 0 in 3 business days. And we're braking.
And
Boom. So, what's the opposite of stops on the dime, babe? Stops on the dollar?
stops on a dollar.
I mean, she's bugging, right? You had a bug. Your family had a bug.
Yeah.
You know, how does it compare? Do you recall? I mean, it's a snail. It's a turtle.
It is. Doesn't sound at all like my bug, so that's different. It's cool.
Oh, business. We gotta come back here with some money. You have any money on you, baby?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, let's hit. Here we are supporting the local economy. So I love stuff like this. I don't know if you all have kids.
No problem.
If you encourage them to do stuff like this, but I absolutely love doing this. I'm broke, so we're having the girlfriend
That's
buy
all right.
the drinks.
1.5 is good with me. Thank you.
Oh yeah, we got drinks. Let's do it. You're good. You're good. So here we are, no cup holders. So we have our first complaint for quality assurance. But man, this is so much fun, y'all. Smooth as sandpaper. Let's see if she can do a little hill climb here. We're just gonna use that trash can to stop our forward progress. Oh yeah, made it. Drinks and all. Say hi.
Cheers.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.